Good morning. This is Farmer June, and today I'm going to show you how to plant flowers. It's not a lot to do. You need a pot, depending on what type of flowers. A pot, I have two because I placed them in front of my house. You have a pot, and you just need some dirt, some good soil dirt. Planters, potting soil, since they're in pots, and regular garden soils if you do it in the ground. So today I'm going to plant these beautiful celosias. They're beautiful. I like colors, so I'm gonna put them in front of my door. But basically, all you need to know when you're planting, and it's simple for beginners, you need to know if it needs shade or sun. It depends. These plants need a lot of shade. That's why I put them here. In the back of my house, I have my garden, and those need a lot of sun to grow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you quickly and briefly how to plant these flowers. Okay? And if you go to any garden store should have like plants like this, and they should all have a little tag in front of it with the information on the back, and you'll be fine. And you read the instructions, how to grow, what kind of lighting, if they're annuals or perennials. Annuals, they only last for 1 year. Perennials, they come back. If they die in the winter, they come back. So I'm going to plant these beautiful flowers now. So I have the dirt. I mix it around. I just want it even. And you take them out. I kind of pull them like this. You're not supposed to, but they come in little squares. And I start arranging which colors I want, which areas. Because I like it colorful, I mix them around. This one seems to look like it's dying, like it's not going to make it. But that's okay. I'm still going to use it. And this is called a flat. A flat has usually like 12 flowers in it. And sometimes it's cheaper to buy a flat because you get more for the price of one. So, I mix the colors in, as always. I have people walking by, so excuse the noise and stuff that you're going to hear. So I have 4 in each. Maybe I should put 5. So, I just decide which other color I'm going to put in. I'll put the second yellow in this one, and the second orange in this one, because I love lots of color. Okay. So, what you do is take the shovel. These got to be squeezed a little bit. Make a hole. You stick it down in there. You cover it with dirt. Okay? You dig a hole, squeeze these, you squeeze them and loosen them a little bit, because they've been sitting in a square, so you gotta liven them up. So, you stick it in the dirt. And you just keep going. Squeeze. And the dirt will fall off. It's okay. But that's okay. It's gonna be fine. One more, squeeze, dig a hole, press it in, and then you cover it with the dirt that's already in there. Cover it with the dirt that's in there. And usually I have on gloves, but this is such a quick one that I'm doing that I didn't feel a need for gloves. So, get this one done. And now is this one. Plant. Squeeze. Dig. Stick it in the dirt. Cover it up. Because you see there's roots on here, so the roots need to be livened up. That's why you're squeezing it. The roots need to be livened up. And then does up. You just throw it on top. Just throw it on top. Squeeze. Then you throw the dirt on top of it. See how easy that was? That was simple. So for all of you who think gardening is so hard, it's not hard. It just, you do have extra things you have to do, like weeding sometimes. You have to weed. It's rough. And sometimes you want to feed it with certain kind of vegetable, plant vegetable. Yeah, there's a such thing as plant vegetable. So I don't know what kind of dirt this is in here, so I'm not going to promote any kind of dirt. But I just go to one of those hardware stores or garden stores. Any garden store should be able to give you that. But always rely on that little sticker that's on the back. This little sticker will tell you if you don't want to, if you want your plants to live, you know, follow the instructions on here. And it's touch and go. Sometimes you don't get it right the first time, but you keep trying. I've been gardening for 20 years, a little more, and I do vegetables in the back of my house. And you could go to my YouTube channel, June at BLC, and you can see June BLC. That's my YouTube channel, and that's B as in boy, L as in Larry, C as in Charles. You can subscribe, you can follow me. I will be doing videos about my garden in the back. Hopefully weekly I'll do it. But I just want people to see how easy it is to grow and how simple things are. And you can have a beautiful landscaping. You don't always have to pay somebody to do all your landscaping for you. But these beauties, ice cream mix celosia. And it's part sun and part, and they grow about 10 inches high. And it tells you how far apart to grow, plant them, but I don't listen to them. I like it colorful and I like it close. So have a wonderful day, and I hope you have fun. Oh wait, I forgot one important thing. Once you do that, you need water. And this water here, I actually put these buckets out in the back of my house and collect rainwater. I take the top off and I sit it out there. I have 2 buckets that I sit out there, and I just let the rainwater catch it. So you have to water it. Not the plant, you want to water the roots. Okay? Water the roots. Once it's been planted. There you go. So now, done. Have a beautiful garden in the front of my door. Oh, if you don't see it, there you go. And use this one, and you're done. Beautiful. Have a good day. Visit my YouTube channel, June BLC. Okay, bye-bye. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.